Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a low-carb blender sherbet. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need some sugar-free orange jello that makes the 4 servings. Then you need a 1/3 cup of cold water, a 1/3 cup of boiling water that I have over here boiling, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, 1.5 cups of ice inside some kind of blender. I'm using a Nutribullet, and then it does make 4 servings, so I just have 4 little plastic cups here. Okay, my water came to a boil, so I just removed it from the burner, and now I'm just stirring in my sugar-free jello until it is dissolved. Next, I just added my 1/3 cup of cold water, and I stirred that until it is incorporated. Next, I'm just going to stir in my 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and my 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream until it is nice and combined. I poured my mixture into my 1.5 cups of ice, and now I'm just going to blend that until it is all nice and crushed up. All right, all of my sherbets are done. I just blended it until there was no more ice, and then I distributed it into the 4 cups as evenly as I could. And they're probably maybe 1.5 carbs per cup, so you really could eat 2 if you don't mind wasting 3 carbs. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. It smells really good. Okay, I have one of the cups here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.